Here at Realityworks, we have a wide variety of mannequins to meet all your classroom needs, spanning the lifespan, from pediatrics all the way through geriatrics. Let's start with our bariatric nursing mannequin. This mannequin represents a 350-pound male patient. Now we have our geriatric nursing mannequin. You can practice 15 different skills with this mannequin, including changing the genitalia from male to female. Now we have our adult nursing mannequin. One of the 20 different skills that you can practice with this mannequin includes CPR. You get immediate feedback about your rate and depth of compression according to American Heart Association guidelines. Now we have our closed fracture trauma mannequin. With this mannequin, students get the opportunity to practice bracing and splinting different acute injuries. Here are our pediatric mannequins. This mannequin is the age of a 3-year-old child. You can practice many different skills with this mannequin, including intramuscular medication administration, intravenous starts, and intravenous medication administration. With our infant vital signs trainers, students get the opportunity to practice collecting vital signs data that is consistent with 15 different illness states that are found in childhood. These were all written by pediatricians. Finally, we have our medical mannequin quick scenario set. With this set, you get 100 ready-to-use simulation scenarios that cross the lifespan, as well as different care environments for our patients.
So look at the patient's ear with the otoscope. The patient's external auditory canal is edematous and erythematous.
All of our products come with curriculum already developed for you out of the box. That means pre-assessment, post-assessment, all of your teacher PowerPoint slides, and student activities that have already been developed. You can take it out of the box and start using it today.